Hey everybody, welcome back. This is YouTube video. I know it's been a little while since we've had a couple of these, but we're going to try and do these every day. Once again, try to get back into the swing of things. We talked about exponential functions today, so I just want to give you a quick go over exponential functions, what they look like, things of that nature. Here is our typical exponential function, this guy right here. Our a is our initial or principal, and then our b is our growth factor. This is what one will look like when it's graphed, and that's what we will be doing very, very soon. This guy right here, this dotted line, is an asymptote, which we will talk about. If you want to look that up, be my guest. Words like increases, increasing, or appreciate, those are all words that typically are synonymous, or not typically, they are synonymous with growth. Remember that b is also the common ratio. B is the common ratio. So with growth functions, they look like y equals a times the quantity, 1 plus r to the t power, and t being time, and time is our universal independent event, so that will be our x value when we graph things. If you see words like decreases, or decreasing, or depreciate, those are words for decay. I guess maybe they all have d's in them, so it stands for decay. If you want to look at it that way, be my guest. Remember that 1 plus r and quantity 1 minus r, both of those are just b values. And decay is going to be a times the quantity 1 minus r to the t, once again where t is time, and time being our independent variable. Here is a function, y equals 3 times 2 to the x. I went ahead and made a table. It's a growth function because b is bigger than 1. And the way I did it in my calculator was y equals 3 left bound to right bound, exponent, that was for you SciMate because you want to call that the exponent, and then the x button, and then I went and hit second table, and it took me and gave me these values here. Remember that r is a percentage rate, so 45% would be 0.45, so a growth factor would be 1 plus 0.45, and a decay factor would be 1 minus 0.45. Those are the things I think that will help you get started, at least on today's work. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Send me one on Edmodo, send me one on an email, come in and see me during tutorial, which I know you all love to do. You all love to stop by and see me on tutorial, because everybody comes and does that. But have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.